Hello and welcome after the weekend. Yes, it's Monday, 7:40 a.m. and we are going. I have just 20 kilometers to the company. They are open from 8 a.m. so the timing will be perfect. And I will see what they will tell to me. Yeah, because the loading is scheduled for 4 tomorrow, but probably we can be there today. Probably. Yeah, it's very big parking place. Very nice, very nice. Maybe it is not safe everywhere, because it is much better to park very close to the buildings, yeah, the petrol station and restaurant. Because I was reading a lot of comments on Google Maps about this parking, and whenever you are parking closer to the exit or the entrance, maybe they will, steal your diesel or something like that. Yes, I have left the highway and we have that kind of road. Whoa, holy shit! French country road and everything is falling here. Oh my god. I have just 4 kilometers to the company. Come on, France, come on. Yeah, it's like it's nothing here. Yeah, just nothing. And we have some kind of traffic jam. Because we have to enter a large area with companies. Yeah. So I guess that a lot of people want to enter. But okay. It's okay, we have a lot of time. The unloading itself will last at least 2 hours. Maybe even 4 hours, because those tires, they are packed loose, not on the pallets, so they will have to unload them by hands, because they were loaded by hands. Yeah, simple as that. Oh yeah, we have this traffic jam right here. It's basically 1 kilometer, yeah, 1 kilometer of traffic up to the roundabout. Okay. Yes, that's the roundabout. Finally. A lot of traffic. We have to wait for the right moment. Right now. Yeah. Look, we have some kind of fruits, veggies, and probably like a small restaurant. I don't know. Interesting. Some places for trucks. I would not park here for the night. Yeah. No. Come on, I don't want to lose my diesel, yeah. Yeah, here we have paid parking for trucks. I didn't want to park here because, like, why I'm supposed to pay if I can park somewhere for free, yeah? Which is basically like, I don't know, 20 minutes of driving time, right? Okay, we are going here. Okay, we have some kind of gate. I don't know what it means. I mean, do we have any kind of security? I don't know. Maybe we are just passing just like that, yeah? and they are just capturing the license plate using the camera. It might be the case. Very nice and big roundabout. Yeah. And that's the company, this one, GSA Logistics. Yeah, exactly this one. As you can see, I'm waiting outside, yes. They told me that maybe they will unload me today. I have to come at 10:30 AM, which means 2 hours later. So I have to wait 2 hours and we will see. If not today, then tomorrow, which is kinda shitty situation. Oh my god, so what is happening? We have some serious problems because I don't have electricity in my security system of the trailer, which means that I'm not able to open the trailer, yeah? Because the security is like it was active and then the power went out, so it is still active. I don't know what to do with it, you know. It's like it's already almost 2 PM and we are trying to figure out something with company, like to find why there's no power. I'm driving to a shop. Yes, a shop with some kind of, you know, tools and other parts, so maybe I can get there what I need to check this electrical system. I will show you on the screen what exactly I need to buy, because I don't know the name for it in English language, so I will just show you right now. I have to buy this and I have to check if I'm getting like volts, you know, in certain places, in trailer and here in truck, to basically give this information to my company so they will know what is broken, yeah, what failed. Yes, but we have also emergency plan when I won't be able to fix this problem with electric, then basically some other driver will come here, yeah, and he will take this trailer, because maybe the problem is with this truck, yeah, like I don't know. So that's the plan B, you know, like emergency plan. We are braking. I have 22 kilometers to this market. I hope I can somehow park with truck. Hopefully, yeah, because I mean I have to, okay? I have to do it somehow, because that's the only place where I can get this tool that I need. I mean the only place close here, yeah, in this area. It's pointless to basically drive, I don't know, 50 or 100 kilometers, yeah? Come on. Very shitty situation, because today I had this unloading and tomorrow I had loading, yeah, scheduled to basically go to Poland already, but if I will fix it, they will unload it tomorrow, yeah. So maybe tomorrow I will load something as well, maybe, I don't know. I just don't know. Look at this guy. I would park like that. I would park like that. It's like in Turkey, you know, or like, yeah, like in Turkey. Oh my god, look at this roundabout. It has like a gate and like, what? Look at this. That's a roundabout. What the? That's fancy. Oh my god, Frenchy. Damn. Crazy people, you know. I still have 12 kilometers. It's raining a bit less, but it's still raining. Okay, so we have different plan. They called me and my boss told me that Danny, you have to drive to MAN service, yes, and to buy a cable, basically a whole electrical cable that is connecting truck and trailer, you know, to buy a new one, and if it's going to work then okay, and if not then we will try to do something, yeah. okay, and this MAN service is basically 28 kilometers away, the opposite direction, so okay, let it be. Very shitty situation, yeah. So basically, if I will buy the new cable and it's not going to work, then it means that I have to supply this trailer in a different way with electricity. I mean the safety system, yeah. I don't know, I will need some cable, you know, some wire to basically take it from the battery directly to this security system. It's going to be sketchy as fuck, so I hope that the new cable is going to work. Yes, I hope so. Do you see the water? Yes, behind this water, far far away, is basically Africa, Algeria. Yeah, we are very close. A lot of you know, doctors and engineers are coming from Algeria to Europe, probably, yeah. It is how it is. 5:45 p.m. The problem is not solved, okay? I still don't have power in security system. The MAN service, they did something with cables, yeah, right here, but it doesn't work, and they refused to connect just the trailer to a power supply. So yeah, that's it, yeah. I'm going to the parking and I will do it myself. I will just take 2 wires and I will connect trailer directly to battery of the truck, you know. It's going to work as a power supply directly, you know, bypassing all the system of the truck, yeah. And it should work, yeah. If it's going to work, then I will unlock the trailer and I will disconnect it, you know, so the trailer will stay unlocked without power. And if it doesn't work, then we are fucked. Really, really fucked, because it means that the special security module, you know, is broken, and I don't know. It's not my problem anymore, yeah. I have just 17 kilometers to my parking. This one, exactly this one. It says 18 kilometers, but it's 17, even 16. They are lying to me, obviously. So that's the plan. I will do it by myself, you know. If you want something to be done properly, you have to do it by yourself. That's it. Even if it means like jump starting the security system of the trailer just to open the trailer, yeah. It's crazy. Crazy time to be alive. Oh look, graveyard. Very nice, very nice. I have to visit one day, you know, I have to visit one day. I will try to record something for you from this procedure, yeah. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I'm taking apart this cable, you know. I need those wires. The orange one, you know, the orange one is going to be power, and the completely white one, yeah, white, is going to be ground, yeah, for those pins. It's very shitty job. Okay, so look at this. I have those two wires, yeah. The white one is minus, the orange one is plus. Here we have a normal connector. The rest of the wires, we don't need them, and I will connect this to battery, this to trailer. Let's go. Okay, so look at this. Everything is done right now, yeah. I connected this one to plus, the white one here to minus. It worked, okay, it worked. I will show you. Oh my god, finally it worked. Look at this. This panel was flashing on red. I put pin code, yeah. The trailer is unlocked. I disconnected everything, so it's not going to be locked again. And that's it. The job is done. Roughly speaking, like 5 minutes of work, yeah. After connecting the cables, like even 2 minutes of work, you know, that's it. Holy shit. Don't do this at home. Another day and another attempt to unload, yes. 20 kilometers to go. The weather is a bit better than yesterday because it's not raining. Yeah, 16 degrees outside, very nice temperature. I'm not really surprised to see bunch of trash and furnitures just laying there, you know. It's France after all. As you can see, we have blue sky, we have some animals. Look at them, look at them. Nice, nice. And I'm empty, yes, we are going, but I don't know where we are going. Because of these problems with trailer, the previous loading that I had scheduled is basically gone, and we have to wait for something different, yeah, for something new. Right now I will just park somewhere. Oh, let this guy. Yes. I will just park here, yeah, next to the road. And we are waiting. We are waiting for some kind of job. For some kind of load to Poland, because that's basically my last week, yeah, so we have to be in Poland maximum on like Saturday, yeah. Here is a parking, but it is paid parking, so I don't want to pay, you know, just to... Oh shit, fucking speed bumps. Come on, France, you can do better. Why do you need those speed bumps here? Like, no one is speeding. Anyway. Yeah, let's park here on the right side. We have some place here. Right here. It's okay. Very slowly, because we have a lot of holes in the ground covered by water. It is just crazy. I'm not going here, yeah, I will go like that. And I will park, yeah, like that here. Okay, so we are going, yes. I was waiting 3 hours, doing nothing, and we are going. Oh, look at this. Nice, nice. The fuck you want from me? What is this? Okay, I got some coordinates, you know, like Yeah, we're gonna check it out, you know. We're gonna check it out. Yeah, who is driving, you know, like, who is driving? Man is driving itself, you know. That's engineering. Don't do this at home, okay? Don't do this at home. We are entering Express Road. Boom, just like that. With phone in my hand and the camera in the other hand. And right now I'm holding the steering wheel with my elbow, you know. That's how it is. That's how it is, okay? Okay, we have to put some coordinates. Is it the place that I think it is? Fuck yeah, yeah, I got it, okay. Because the name of the company is kinda like Adeos company, but it is like connected with Geodis company, like, I don't know. But here I have just Adeos, but okay, Adeos Geodis, it can be like that. So it's good. Yeah, we are going. The loading is scheduled at 3 PM. I will be there at 2 PM, which is okay. I will just wait there. No problems, no questions asked. Beautiful weather, 22 degrees outside. God damn. That's what I call summer. Yeah. And we are going to Poland, like directly to Poland. We have just 25 kilometers. Well, it would be nice to brake, maybe, you know, because we have roundabout. Oh, look, police. Yeah, let's brake. Oh my god, look at the sky. Look at the clouds far away. It's amazing. Very nice area. Very nice area, but sometimes you can see a lot of trash next to the road, or like between trees, you know, just trash laying around. Like some kind of, you know, packages, bottles, bags, stuff like that. Yeah, but it's France, okay? They have imported a lot of people, you know, black people and so on, so, like, you know what I mean, yeah? It is how it is. Okay, so I have just 1 kilometer to this company, and obviously it is area with many different companies. I have to find the entrance, which means finding the security office to check in, and then I have to like drive inside, and I have to find like a different office, yeah, a warehouse office, to basically check in again, and they will show me where to go for loading. That's how it works usually. But you know, maybe they don't have security, yeah, so... Oh my god, it's tight. Yeah, it was tight. Holy shit. I was like... I overestimated my skills, or I underestimated the size of this roundabout. Yeah. Either way, we are okay. Yeah, a lot of cars parked in a different way. Yeah, that's France. Yeah, like it's not the widest road, but okay, let it be. Yeah, it's probably here. I guess it is here, because I just do not see any other entrance, yeah, with that kind of name of the company, so like, I don't know. I guess it's here. We are going to park like this. like this truck. This company is one big shithole, okay? You are waiting there next to the office for like 40 minutes, yeah, so someone will take your documents, and they are telling you that, oh yeah, your loading will be at 6 p.m, you know, or something like that. I'm like, what the fuck, you know? Like, what the fuck? It was scheduled to be at 4 p.m. maximum. Like, what the fuck? And they are just, you know, having some chit-chat in French with those other Frenchy people. Like, they don't give a fuck, okay? They don't want to work. So I don't know what they are doing here. Because they are not working, yeah? They are just talking or like eating, drinking. And you are left like a dog next to the road. And yeah, wait up to 6 p.m, yeah? No toilet, nothing. You can shit next to the road. As you can see, I'm driving. I was visiting a petrol station because there's nothing else to do. I had to buy some coffee, you know, and some kind of drink to basically chill out, okay? Sometimes people are drinking coffee to wake up. I'm drinking coffee to chill out, yeah? Especially when some Frenchie is making me angry, you know. Almost 6 p.m. I'm waiting. As you can see, we are driving. And it's basically 9 p.m. Almost 9 p.m. Can you imagine? I came here, it was like 2 p.m. yeah, and now it's 9 and we are going. I don't know what is happening. I still have almost 2 hours of driving time left, so I want to like drive this 150 kilometers maybe to the parking, because you know it's going to be 150 kilometers less for tomorrow and for the next day. Crazy Frenchy, you know. And maybe I will park at some different spot, you know. Maybe even I will park next to the gates on the highway, because it's a very nice place to park. Not so quiet, but very safe, you know. Because in this part of France, and roughly speaking in France, you care more about safety than silence, yeah. I would even say that the louder the better, yeah, the more people the better. Because if you are parked somewhere in a dark place, you know, and no one is there, or just few people, you know, few trucks, few cars, they will try to steal your diesel, or maybe even, you know, open your door or something like that. Seriously. I have parked in a different place, okay, different place, much closer to the company where I was loading, because I thought that it's not worth it, you know, to risk driving overtime just for 100 kilometers, you know. And this parking is very nice, with lights, with cameras, with security. 25 euro for a night, you know, 25 euro, a lot, right? But from this 25 euro you have basically 15 or 20 euro to use in a restaurant, yeah, because they have restaurant. So I had basically a full dinner, you know, like a full lunch, a full meal, like, oh my god, I'm so full, you know, with food, and the food was so tasty. Oh, like crazy, you know. It's expensive parking, but it's worth it, okay? It's just worth it, just because of the food.